12 hours ago, and since we arrived, not one car or one person or anything has passed us. Well, that's not quite true. I'll tell you in a second. But look at this. This is what we saw when we opened our door this morning. How about that? You really haven't anything to complain about, have you, when you wake up to a view like that? So peaceful. The sea seems so calm today. So hopefully we're in for a good day. There's a few fishing boats out there. So we weren't disturbed by cars or anyone going past. About 3 o'clock this morning, there was a couple of thuds and the van rocked a bit. And what we had got was a herd of cows deciding that the van was a nice place to have a scratch. Well, they soon disappeared. Now I can think of nothing better than opening the door again now, sat on the step and having a cup of coffee while we watch all this. Well, with a view like that, there's no reason to rush off really, is there? So it's time for a coffee.
It is.
And what better time to have a coffee than outside?
If we're doing this right. Never done this before. That's hot. We were told it needed hot water.
That's why it says a cold tea towel, isn't it?
That'll do. Low heat is the better, apparently. Nothing happening yet.
When does the magic begin? Not quite a cooking video, but it might be on par with some of our cooking videos.
Well, it sounds like it's doing. Not steam. Oops. I think that means we got it the heat too high. And then I turn the gas out. Here it comes again. Don't know what this one's going to taste like. That's how it's supposed to be, apparently. It's not spitting. Coffee time.
You don't get very much coffee though, do you?
No. It's going to be quite an espresso,
Mm-hmm.
so it might be quite strong. So I've got some water added to that.
No, thank you.
It smells coffee-ish. I think it would need to be black because the milk cools it down a bit.
Mm-hmm.
That's hot.
It's horrible. Stick to coffee shops.
I'm just going for a walk along the headland to see where we get to. I wonder if they're the ones that disturb us in the night. The idea is to find access to the beach down there. We know there's a car park at the top of the cliffs there. I'm just going to have a wander to see whether it's actually wide enough to get the camper in. So, this is the car park I was thinking about. A nice wide gate actually. So, we can bring the camper down here for the day.
We've had a bit of a lazy day today, haven't we, Tor? Hey, haven't we? Bit of a lazy day. I stayed in the van, and Keith and the dogs went down to the beach, down to Vault Beach. I stayed here. So we've not moved much today. Well, we've not moved at all, really. We decided we needed a quiet day because we've done lots of driving, lots of visiting different places, so it was nice just to sit and relax. But tonight we're going to play pirates because we're still on top here, looking out to sea, and it's a nice evening. So we're going to light the fire and see whether we can lure any ships onto the rocks. And plunder their cargoes. But before we go plundering, it's strawberries and clotted cream. Our nighttime visitors are back a bit earlier. Hello. Don't lick the van. I'm not capturing your soul on camera, don't worry. I'm off. You're funny.
I've got a feeling this is their favourite spot.
I think it might be. Sorry.
We don't all that kindling, do we? Save it for another day.
So what do we want on these cargoes? The ships we're luring in. Gold would be nice, gold would be alright. Well, the dogs don't want to be near the fire. It's 3 in the morning again, and you won't see a lot, but we've got our visitors again. Just licking the van. I think there's one around the other side, to be honest, because I can hear something. It all adds to the fun. They're back. Morning. I'm afraid we haven't got enough for breakfast for everyone. There's no food in the fire pit. Morning. I can make you a tea or coffee. Which would you prefer? If you don't tell me, I can't make one.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.